What makes you think that that's okay?
I can't go through.
Me?
Causing quite a back up here, and actually I could fit something about twice as wide as this through there. Could you? Is there any chance you could just nose through? I know they haven't been helpful, they pulled further out than they should have done. Sure, they're about to go anyway. If my car can go through, his can't. His is wider.
I could fit something twice as wide for me. I don't think you could, mate.
I don't like Swindon.
No, I don't like Swindon. Oh my goodness, someone's trying to kill himself. Moron. What are you doing?
That's what I'd be interested in. Right, so you just... Okay, you've got it. There are some amazing things.
Great, isn't it? And we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items left.
The setup fees from $9.95, and it's super fast, perfect for streaming. It's almost as fast as Dash. Search Sky Broadband. Pre-order Disney Pixar Incredibles 2 in Sky Store. Find where it is.
Well, this is very exciting. We have someone on the line to speak to us.
On your phone and here.
Play Radio X.
This is Radio X News.
Usually are.
Very good.
Yeah.
We didn't play all of them, did we?
I think we did, didn't we?
Did we play Alice and John? So I'm going to take my first sip of Mexican Coca-Cola.
You're so rude. So maybe he won't be there anyway. So you're just going to change lane like that then?
Yeah. Right, I am,
And you've got 2 missing brake lights. You're not a very good driver. And you don't have a very good car. Thank you.
I need my Nurofen Extra Express. Now, what do you want? Long lasting or quick action? When he's not looking, Dom, get it nicked.
Yes, thank you.
That's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
We're going to drug. We're not going to drug you for legal reasons. We'll be right back. We don't go anywhere. Show on Saturday. Actually, I'm not the creator. Well, no, I guess I am.
Well, yeah.
Well, it's actually Chris Bourne's fault, if you want to know.
Right, okay. Yeah.
Now.
Are you gonna go? Seriously, what the f?